Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on creating stunning 3D AI images of microworld of each country for free. So let's get right into it. First of all, you'll have to open up a web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Image Creator. Click on the first link that you see. Here in the text box, you'll have to enter the prompt. After you're done, tap on Join and Create option. Similarly, you can create more of these images by simply editing the prompt. Then tap on the Create option. Now click on the image to preview. And if you'd like to download these images, then tap on the 3 horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Then tap on the download option. So that is how you can create 3D AI images for free. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.